Hey there guys, it's Kim George here from YourChicGeek.com, and I want to welcome you to a brand spanking new video. So for those of you that are new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. For those of you that have been rocking with me for a while now, thank you so much for your support. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be answering a question or answering some questions to something or some feedback that I get a lot. Okay, feedback that I get a lot on the channel, and this is in reference to Amazon ads. So for those of you that are running Amazon ads and you're having issues with them, maybe they're not working, we're going to talk about getting back to some of the basics today and just some of the things that I do to troubleshoot ads that are not working. Now, these are some tips that I have picked up a while ago from Kindlepreneur, and they have just stuck with me. But I feel like it's just things that we just, people just, overlook. And so I just wanted to run down this quick list today and just hopefully help you guys that are maybe, again, running ads and are just not getting the results that you're wanting to get. All right, so before we dive off into this quick video, I'd love for you guys to like, share, subscribe, comment. Also, for those of you that are interested in building and starting to build out your low content book empire, I've released my course, which is from Publish to Profit. You can head over to check that out. There's going to be a link below to that. It's getting some really great reviews, and it's really all about using a more strategic approach to publishing versus just kind of throwing spaghetti at the wall. So the link below is to that. You can find out more about it. And then also I have some freebies available. I have a low content book swipe file with over 200 niches that you can get access to below as well, and a free masterclass that kind of covers the framework that I use in regards to publishing that helps me make over 1K per month. Now, let's go ahead and let's dive in to this video. So again, some of the most main questions that I get a lot on the channel are all about ads, because people want to run ads. Ads have really helped me to scale my low content book business. And so I just wanted to kind of run down a quick list of things and basics that you can use for troubleshooting when it comes to ads that are not working. So let's go ahead and dive off into this list. All right, so number one is going to be, if you have an ad that is getting little to no impressions, very little impressions, the one thing that you want to check is going to be your bid. If you're getting very little impressions, it's a sign that your bid may not be high enough and you may be competing in a niche that is super competitive. Like, for example, I get people asking, hey, I have a coloring book and I've been running an ad for 2 weeks and I'm not getting enough impressions. And through coaching, I've gone through and looked, and it's like, okay, well, this is why. You're competing in a niche that is very competitive. So things like coloring books, depending on the kind of coloring book that it is, activity books and things like that tend to be pretty competitive. So you have to know when you're going in and you're running ads in those niches that you may have to start off with a pretty aggressive bid in order to compete. Now, another thing that you can check also too is maybe tweaking or checking your keywords. And this is going to be your back-end keywords to make sure that they are set correctly as well and that they are set to reach the person it is that you want to reach. But more importantly, definitely check your bids on your ads, because you may have to increase them if you're getting little to no impressions. All right, so number two in the process is, if you're getting good impressions but no clicks to your books, this is a sign that there is an issue with your cover design. It just is what it is. So again, good impressions and a good amount of impressions but no clicks, there's something going on with your cover. So what I would recommend that you do is have someone take a look at your cover. Get an unbiased view or review of your cover design. Now, what you can do is, to make sure that your review is unbiased, is you can basically send your cover out maybe to some friends and family, but just don't tell them that it's yours. Just say that it's a friend's or somebody that is, published something on Amazon and they just wanted to get, an unbiased review or, and things like that of the cover. And you'll be surprised at what people will tell you, because sometimes what we think is visually appealing may not be visually appealing to other people. So it's always a great idea to get an unbiased view or review of your book cover and make the necessary tweaks and adjustments where necessary. Now, if people come back and they say, "Oh, I really don't like the cover. I don't think it fits. I think they can do better," or blah blah blah, then that's when it's time for you to go into, okay, I need to update this cover mode. And I can't tell you how many times I've had to do this for books that I know that I put a lot of time into creating, but the cover just didn't connect. I actually had to go and hire people sometimes to redo my covers, and I just had to go and just, approach it in a different way. So that's just something to consider. And then last but not least, and the third tip that I wanted to give is, if you're getting clicks to your book but no sales, then you want to check your product description. This is super important. I think this is something that I see a lot of people kind of skimping over, especially when I'm doing coaching calls and then when I'm doing product audits. Your product description is like your mini sales page. It's like a mini sales page, guys. And so you have to think about, whenever somebody lands on your book, you really want to create and have a product description that's really going to push them over the edge to say, I really want to get this book like right now. So for those of you that struggle with writing product descriptions, I'd highly recommend using ChatGPT to do this. I use it. It's phenomenal. I know how to tweak it and make it to where it's my own, but it will save you so much time instead of just sitting and trying to figure out what to write from a product description perspective. So again, clicks but no sales, check your product descriptions. And then another thing and a bonus tip is that use and leverage the power of A+ content. Yes, A+ content is really, really a powerful marketing tool, and it's free. Now, I have a video on here that talks about how to do A+ content, so you can head over to check that out. But with A+ content, you're basically just, finding a way to showcase your books and your book's interior beautifully so that you can really help people envision themselves with the product. And like I said, it takes a little bit of time, but it definitely will help you, if it's done correctly, boost conversions and help you get more sales to your books. And I've heard people say this quite a bit. So definitely leverage the power of A+ content, okay, for your books. Now, really quickly, I wanted to let you guys know that for those of you who are, maybe you're wanting to run ads, you're not sure where to start, or maybe you've been running ads and you're kind of beating your head and you're just like, man, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I've just been trying all the things and I'm not getting any results. Well, I want to let you guys know that myself and Jenny Hansen Lane are going to be putting on a boot camp that is going to take place on the 19th. We're pretty excited about this, and this is going to be an Amazon Ads basics for low content book publishers and just self-publishers, okay? Mostly for low content book publishers. So if you are publishing low content books, you've been running ads for a while now, you're not getting any results, or you're interested in running ads and learning how to grow your sales by running ads and spending just as little as $1 a day, we would love to have you on this boot camp. So there's going to be a link to find out more about the boot camp where you can head over and check it out. You can get signed up, and we would love to have you guys on. Again, we're going to be answering questions live. It's going to be definitely a live call. So any questions that you have, anything that you're frustrated with, or anything that you want to ask us, this will be an opportunity for you to ask us about Amazon ads. And so we're really, really, really excited about this boot camp. So again, the link is in the description below. You can head over and check it out. And then, I'll have more information forthcoming about it. But definitely, we love to see you guys on. So that's just what I wanted to come to you guys with today, just kind of giving out those 3 tips. I hope this has been helpful to you in your path to running ads and getting more sales to your books. So again, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for listening to me ramble a little bit today. Take care out there and stay safe. All right, y'all. Talk later. Bye.